Hey everyone, recently Gemma 4 has been launched by Google. So I was just trying to check whether it is efficient or not on your local hardware. So I'm using currently MacBook M5 Pro, which is a base model with 24 GB. And when I try it with Ollama, here you can see, if you can see here, Ollama list and here it is. So if I try to run this model, so it works well. Ollama run, and yeah, if I say hi, it starts thinking. So here, why sky is blue? So you can see it's working pretty fast with text, and also it's have thinking capability. So let me just try it with run a Python code which will detect the object. So just let me just open this one, and here you can see it can recognize me. Just give 1 or 2 seconds, it will. So you can see it can recognize me. Let's try with this mouse whether it is able to recognize or not. Yeah, it says object. Let's try with mobile phone. Yeah, it says smartphone, but the position is different, which is my code, maybe issues with my code, so it says white object as well. So yeah, it's pretty awesome, and on local it's working well. I don't have very good hardware, so if it has some problem. So yeah, it's pretty working well, and I have put this code on GitHub. You can try it yourself on your local system. So here, reason, I think it's Gemma 4. Yeah, this is the GitHub link. I will put it in, so anyone can try it with and play around with your hardware with Gemma 4. So thank you.